Hello, this is Patrick from XPression. I'd like to show you how to use the XPression Maps shape style tools in the HTML5 plugin for XPression Maps. So I'm in Inception and I've got my XPression ActiveX plugin open here, and I'm going to come down to the Open MAM toolbar button. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to choose XPression Maps, and mine is called Apex Graphics Lab, and that's just my particular station here. The HTML5 plugin opens. I'm going to log into it. And I'm going to go ahead and choose a template here called LLN US National Election. I'm going to double click on it. And when I do, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. I'm going to do a little political game here. I'm going to zoom into the search for the state of Illinois. And I want you to notice, if I search for Illinois and I have go to result selected, when I click the button, I zoom in. If I turn that off, it'll just find it. Now, I've got Illinois selected. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit using my scroll wheel. I'm going to choose below on the Shapes tool, and I'm going to click on the plus sign at the end of the Illinois side, and you'll see it puts in a default color. Now I'm going to turn off the go to result, and what I want you to know is I'm going to search for Indiana, and when I do, the map doesn't move, but I do find the shape information. I'm going to add that in as well. And right now you're like, why is he doing this? Well, let's show you what I can do here. I'm going to add Iowa. I'm going to add Missouri. And again, I could type in the abbreviations. It's just more accurate to type in the whole state name. I'm going to put also in Kentucky, just to really clear this up. So now I've got all these in here, and they're using a default shape. And the default shape is one, if I click on Illinois and then I go to edit, you'll see it's state default. If I want to, right now my graphics department could have made a lot of different choices here, and I'm going to use these up here. Could use choice 1 through 5. I'm going to use these, and again, I'm just putting this up here. This is not a political statement. I'm not even paying attention to who's who anymore. But I'm going to turn Illinois into a Democrat state. I'm going to choose Iowa, and I'm going to change it to undecided. I'm going to choose Missouri, and I'm going to make that Republican. I'm going to make Indiana also Republican. And I'm going to take Kentucky, and I'm going to choose it as independent. So you can see what I've got here. I've basically color-coded this. And again, this is capable for any shape on the map. So right now I have states, I have countries in here. Your newsroom system, or your XPression map system could be set up to have congressional districts. You could have counties showing, whatever the case may be. All of these pieces are available for you. For example, I could actually zoom all the way in here, and I have counties in my system. So if I search for Cook County in Illinois, you'll see that I'll find it. I'll have the shape here. I can go and highlight it, and you can see there's Cook County. And again, I can come in to edit that, and if I choose Cook, I can change it to Republican, just so it shows up different. So you can see that I can go down to different levels here, but the trick is really to show you how to use shape styles to create your maps.